In this tutorial, I am going to discuss about Bootstrap, that is what is Bootstrap, how you can use it and how to configure it. So what is Bootstrap? Bootstrap is an open source CSS framework used to design the responsive modern websites and web apps. It's a front-end framework and contains numerous HTML and CSS templates for UI interface elements like buttons and forms. Earlier, Bootstrap was known as Twitter Bootstrap as it was developed by 2 employees at Twitter. Later, when it was made open source, its name changed to Bootstrap only. The Bootstrap is mainly used to design and develop mobile applications in front-end, or we can say it's the best CSS framework to be used to create the RWDs, that is responsive web designs. Bootstrap is available in 2 forms, that are pre-compiled version and source code version. The source code version uses the less CSS preprocessor, but if you are more into Sass, there is an official Sass port of Bootstrap as well. Now to install the official version of Bootstrap, you will have to go to the getbootstrap.com site, and there you can see the download option. You click on it and you can see the various download options available. You can download the ready-to-use compiled CSS and JS plugins, or you can download the source files, or if I scroll down, you see you can copy the Bootstrap CDN as well. What is CDN? CDN stands for Content Delivery Network or Content Distribution Network, which helps users to load and access the CSS, JS and jQuery libraries remotely from Bootstrap servers. Not only that, the CDNs can include various file formats like audio, video files, web fonts, the style sheets, PDF, zip, etc. It's a common server which delivers the required file in the more faster way. You can also have your own server to upload these files, but CDN relatively performs better. So this was the basic information about the Bootstrap. Now in the next section, I'll be discussing about grid system in Bootstrap.